Hello, this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and in this video we will be making a piñata craft. You will be able to pick up the following craft kit at the Woodcrest Library, and you will need the following items at home: crayons, scissors, a hole puncher, and some tape. Alrighty, let's get started with this craft. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and color in your piñata. Now that we have our piñata colored in, we're going to go ahead and cut out our piñata. We're going to go ahead and take our piñata and flip it around. And we're going to take our colorful tape and we're going to go ahead and tape this on from the back end. Now we're going to go ahead and take our hole puncher and hole punch a hole in between the ears. Now we're going to take our piece of yarn and put it through that hole that we just hole punched out. Okay. We're going to go ahead and tie this to one of our ends of our straws. And that's our piñata craft. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!